Hello friends, welcome to the TechLizard channel. So friends, today I will talk about HYTE new Y70 Touch PC case. So friend, HYTE is excited to release the new Y60 Touch, the latest addition to its signature Y-series cases, featuring a vibrant 4.1-inch 1100 by 3840 capacity touchscreen integrated into the corner panel, and the dedicated touchscreen is an engaging instrument to reach the digital plane of your physical machine, creating a more comfortable personal computing experience. And friend, the larger rendition of HYTE's viral Y60 Y70 Touch takes interactivity and immersion in PCs to new lands. Its 10-point multi-touchscreen with 283 pixels per inch comes with pre-installed and provides an incredibly crisp and smooth user experience, allowing users to continuously engage with the PC long after the build process is complete. And friend, customization of Y60 Touch is made possible via HYTE Nexus Touch with a plethora of exciting widgets for a personal digital experience, and you can monitor system performance, engage with tweet chat, play games, display Google Calendar, the weather and time, and quickly write notes and more. And friend, the iconic HYTE Y series ventilation pattern continue with the Y60 Touch. Continue with the Y70 Touch and has been optimized with lower impedance for increased airflow and cooling capacity. Up to 360 mm radiator can be mounted to the side and the adjustable top bracket to the case, while up to 180 mm air cooler can be mounted comfortably within the Y70 case. And friend, the further increased airflow, you can mount up to 3 120 mm fans in the Y70 Touch basement to provide a direct stream of cooling to the graphics card. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the starting MRP of $359.99 and accepted to available for purchase in December. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.